The buyer's agent said, I won't find any problems with this house. All right, well, let's inspect it and find out. Okay, let's start things off with a foundation crack. And this interior door weather stripping is a little bit damaged. Maybe they have a cat? That looks like a drain leak. And that looks like it could be a foundation leak. Possibly another leak? This ventilation filter is extremely dirty. Most people don't realize there's filters in these ventilation systems that you have to clean every once in a while. And this basement window has no screen. It's really strange. A lot of these newer houses, that the basement windows don't seem to have the screens. It's almost like the builders just forget to put the screens in. And another window, no screen. And another window with no screen. And wait for it, another window with no screen. I don't think that vent's gonna work. I don't think that one's gonna work either. Looks like we have some joist hangers that are missing nails. And these joist hangers, missing nails. Surprise, surprise, these joist hangers are also missing nails. And I had another look around, and more joist hangers are missing nails. I don't know if it was Friday when the builder put these in and just thought, hey, we'll just put a couple nails per joist hanger, but every nail hole has to have a nail in it. And as I was looking upward at all the joist hangers, I noticed that one of the PVC vents for the furnace was leaking a little bit. That needs to be fixed. There was a bit of a hollow sound in the floor near the furnace and the water heater. So, the builder probably should fix that just to prevent the concrete floor from shifting. I would say that's a little loose. And the toilet is also a little bit loose. Where did the smoke detector go? Come on now. Who connected this dishwasher hose? That's not right. Oops. That's not supposed to do that. Looks like we need some caulking there. And that's a little loose. A little bit of cracking in the foundation. Downspouts missing an extension. And the sump pump discharge pipe not insulated. Something tells me that's not going to work very well. What do you think? More foundation cracking. And more foundation cracking. Another foundation crack. And another foundation crack. And yet another foundation crack. Guess what? Another foundation crack. And how about another foundation crack? Those sill joints need to be sealed to keep the water out. Where did the cover go? Another sill joint needs to be sealed. And another one. And it'd probably be good to install that screen onto the door,